Before starting to learn the cube, you must be familiar with the structure and the notations of the cube. In this video, I am going to tell you about the structure and the notations of the cube. In the 3x3 cube, there are 54 stickers. But you must be aware that solving one sticker at a time is impossible. You must be solving it layer-wise or step-wise. The cube is made up of 3 types of pieces, and in total there are 26 pieces. Allow me to disassemble it and then I'll show it to you. Now, the first types of pieces are center pieces. These are the pieces that lie in the center of each color. You should remember that the colors in the center pieces always stay opposite to each other. In total, there are 6 center pieces in the cube. The placement of the middle pieces is fixed. They can only be rotated, but the position cannot be changed, which means that the opposite color will stay opposite to each other always. Like here, the white color is opposite to the yellow color, the green color is opposite to the blue color, the red color is opposite to the orange color. When you're solving the cube, you will always look at the center pieces to rotate the side of the color. Like here, the red piece is here, the center pieces. So the red pieces will come this side. The second type of pieces are the edge pieces. They have 2 colors or stickers in each piece. There are 12 edge pieces in total. The third and the last type of pieces are the corner pieces. In total, there are 8 corner pieces in the cube. None pieces can take the place of the other type of pieces. Like the corner piece cannot take the place of the edge piece, nor the edge piece can take the place of the corner piece. Before you start learning the algorithms, you must be first aware of the notations that are used in the algorithms. Okay, now when we hold the cube in a fixed orientation, we can get 2 sides, the top side and the front side. There are 6 possible positions: the front side, the back side, the top side, the right side, the left side and the bottom side. To make it easier for us, we denote these sides with some letters. F is for front, B is for back, R is for right, U is for up, L is for left and D is for down. And you must have noticed that when I was doing these moves, I kept the center pieces fixed and moved these layers around the center pieces. This is what the notations help us to do. The letter which donates the notations tells us to move the specific layer one time, which means 90 degree. Like here the letter is R, which means right. So we move it right one time. When it's given R2, we move it 2 times, like this. When we get R prime, it means to move the R layer backwards, which means anti-clockwise 90 degree. Sometimes there is a confusion of which side is clockwise and which is anti-clockwise. It takes some time, but little practice makes it good. Let's take an example of the algorithm. Here it is R, F2 and U prime. It's just a random example of what algorithms are to just give you an idea of the algorithms. So this was for part 1. Whatever you learned today are the very basics of cubing, and you should get a hang of all the basics till you get to the next video. In the next video, we are going to learn solving the cross through the beginner level, and it is very easy to learn. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.